Viewers all over the world, my name is Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Bụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. Yes. N'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị taa bụ white altar. White entities of powers, the white beings from the light region. So isiokwu anyị tata bụ white altar. Na-achịkọwala gị na-enwelu ndị angelu nke Chukwu from the luminous height, from the light region. All hawa bụ ife ha needed from man is good longing, good volition, joyful activities, longing for what is noble. I can be here anya ka ịghọta ihe bụ the attributes and what white angels need for you. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. If you're a child of the temple, remember, I be the Mawakwa Noge. Upon a child of the temple. Echefudana Aja annual festival okay, this year, September 15, September festival. Annual event Kobo. Aturanya no you child of the temple, ga participate in here. Distance I have a barrier. Ebonino. Obone for any reason near Abew, Cabaro, Chatiam. Kiwe week may he was me, Magayabo, Aja, annually. Obgoronega, Becavaro Chatiam. This year festival, very special festival. Macarona, this festival, I name project, I run a temple. This September, I gave me massive work on the roofing and the rest of them. Then, all your question, the gay Sonia. Cause was able, Abrona, nature Israel and a Montreux ritual. A giant actual wobuna. I am military here carrying 4 years now. We have massive testimonies, but we don't show them on social media. Macana draw necessary. Macana Chukune Medon we are. I'm on the tradition. He gave me a WhatsApp na WhatsApp. Make token donation to the account number. Forward I had 3 prayer requests I gave them an altar, a white altar. Na achwaja, but see bazo nkongwa, chwanya chikota yabaja. Sunday so na yage ngotan chikota yabaja. WhatsApp number big age ngotambo 0805 7837 672. Now let's proceed. Anime kwuo na akọwara ndị mmadụ what you don't know remains a mystery to you. Spiritual consciousness is so vast, depending on your level of maturity and the realms you are coming from. As an ancient priest, I am can call so many things or to me for years. I can call the basal white altar. Or to name more name with white angels. Yes. The beings that works with light region, white vibrations, they are the entities and beings not behind white altar. It will interest you to know now hypersonic beings and natural beings and supernatural beings. Then entities of powers. Then beings from the light region. And beings from the luminous height. And beings from the throne of the primordial queen. There's one in anywhere, no. Yes. Then here natural can call again. Whether we just now the prosperities and powers, whether we na handaka and degere. Ndibo, no Igbo ka ị na-asụ ya. Yes, Mana mache gwage na enwelu beings not behind the white altar. All hanwa ka ị na-reference. All hanwa ka ị na-enye nsọpụrụ. All hanwa ka ị na-akpọku. We don't worship them, but we recognize their existence. All ya can just say to about wisdom. Hosea 4:6, now my people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge. Why some of you are being misled is because you do not seek for that knowledge and vision, which is the key for you to escape from challenges of life. If you are knowledgeable, a master. If you lack knowledge, remain a slave. So those beings from the light region, that the entities of powers behind white altar, had an aja at all. In fact, it was that where they are baggage. If I have good volition, good longing, noble act, joyful activities, almsgiving, charity, all batana, ugochitubelu na temple, I nwere ihe niile. Ugochitubelu na temple, I nwere foundation. Na-elekọta ndị the needy. So this beings behind the white altar, ihe a na-enye ha aba aja ndị ọzọ except blood sacrifice. You cannot bring blood sacrifice. And when white altar world over. Yes. And the more not behind white altar. All hana God in a manat on the mother now, bonaz and the mother, Ike Chuku. Because apart from Ike Chuku, no beings can ever do anything. All Ike here in the name. All how not behind Sadaka humanitarian services. I am in a temple. But if you don't know them, you don't know them. These beings exist from 4 cardinal points: the Sat, the Elves, the Salamanders, the Gnomes. And when they are to aji, they are him when the other area him. So, Gane menke, Kane menke. So, Ndinkabo no behind the white altar, we've read them. Ndinke no behind the blood altar, we've read them. But on white altar is very powerful. Man, I am not on them mother na ha at all. Man, I don't blame them, never hammered. But no, they will a better. We believe in prayers, we believe in meditation, we believe in spiritual exercise. Because now we in there, those noble activities, we here energize the white entities, not behind white altars. What you don't know remains a mystery to you. Now, on some challenges of life in the face, he needed to bring it before these elemental beings and entities of being, entities of powers, the animistics. All happen they got solve your problem. Man, most of the times, because the more than how they may exist, he keep going taking your problem to blood altar. Whereas because the solution to on this white altar, Kaino, every morning I must go there as a priest. Under the altar before the throne of grace. Then I've been a temple, Maramaki and Koma. And that is one of the primary purposes why we are building a temple. That temple is purely white altar. If I must see any netty, come close. Let me stop here. On why do you well, Nankuzi and Kuzi, Basalo white altar. You got to bit by bit because of your level of maturity. Go at a go, you will not understand, you will not comprehend. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na odi ihe siri m ike. nke Chineke na-apụghị isi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu nke pụrụ ime ihe be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.